Now I'm going to show you how do I make my favorite British dessert ever. Bread and butter pudding. I'm going to show you. Come with me. But the only difference is that I'm going to make it with this, a panettone. When you use this one instead of bread, it's just excellent. Now, watch the way I do it because it's very simple. First thing, you need to get a baking tray. This will do. Okay? Not too deep because I want to have the little crust on top with the demerara sugar, which is going to be fantastic.
Step 1. Remove and discard all of the wrapping.
These red pants are really tight. Okay. So, cut the panettone, probably about 3 centimeter slices. Look at that. Look the middle.
Generously spread salted butter on the slices.
And if you don't have panettone, because it is called panettone, not panettoni, as everybody says, panettone. If you don't have that, you can use a brioche, any brioche will do, some leftover croissant.
Then cut the slices in triangles. I'm using 50 grams of the flaked almonds, scattering half on the bottom of the tray, leaving the rest for later. Then layer the slices on top.
I'm gonna put this one here. And if you got any leftover, don't you dare throw it away. Just keep it on a plate, and later on you can have a nice cup of tea.
Bring 750 milliliters of milk with the zest of 1 unwaxed orange to the boil and leave it to rest. Then in a bowl, beat 3 eggs and 50 grams of custard sugar together. Add in 2 tablespoons of Cointreau. Then slowly add in the orangey milk, mixing all the time to avoid it turning into scrambled eggs.
Look at that. Okay, so once you've done that, put it on the side. You need to get a tray that can accommodate the panettone and butter pudding. Kettle on.
Is that my bread and butter pudding?
Put it. No, this is the panettone butter, the one I always do my recipe.
Oh, your great-great-grandmother? Or was it my great-great-grandmother's time?
I think it was Delia.
Do you know what you're doing?
I know what I'm doing.
This is mine, huh?
Yeah. Can you do me a favor,
Yeah.
baby? The potatoes. Can we boil them 20 minutes? I need this for the gnocchi.
Finally, ladle your custard over the panettone slices.
Is this okay?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. No. I know what I'm doing.
What do you want in this? Just water?
I'm talking to my fans. No, I need the kettle. So once you're at this stage, you want it to rest for a good 20 minutes. Even a half an hour if you want, because everything is soaked up. Then switch on the oven, which I've already done that. You want it to about 180 degrees, okay? And it's gonna be perfect.
Now fill the tray halfway up with hot water.
Now let me give you a tip. I do this quite often, so I can do the movement from here to the oven. If you are in the oven, you can put the hot water as the tray is in the oven, which is much safer. So however you want to do it, but please be careful because it's gonna be hot. I got demerara sugar now. Now this is gonna make a nice little crust at the end. Okay? Then, where is the foil?
I've never used boiling water.
That's the reason why I am Gino D'Acampo and you're not. No, I got my own foil, thank you. Do you want my fans to follow your recipe or to follow mine?
Considering I'm British and it's a British dessert, I think on this occasion they might want to follow mine.
Yeah, you're probably right. So let me recap for you guys. This stays in the oven for 35 minutes, 180 degrees. Then take it out, foil in the bin, sprinkle with the remaining flaked almonds, in the oven again, 20 minutes, job done.